Hello friends, I hope you will be fine. Again I'm here with a new video. In this video I'm gonna teach you some sentences which we can use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is he is not around my age. वो मेरी उम्र का नहीं है. Second, did you hear? क्या तुमने सुना? Third, I've been down today. मैं आज सारा दिन सुस्त रहा. 4. बिलाल had come, hadn't he? बिलाल आया था ना. 5. Put the rest on the table. बाकी मेज़ पर रख दो. 6. He has quit smoking. उसने सिगरेट छोड़ दी है. 7. Because smoking is injurious to health. क्योंकि तंबाकू नोशी सेहत के लिए नुकसानदेह है. 8. Get my clothes washed. मेरे कपड़े धुलवा दो. 9. I'm not your servant. मैं आपका नौकर नहीं हूँ. 10. Why are you saying me like this? तुम मुझे क्यों इस तरह कह रहे हो? So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it, and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day, take care, bye bye.